Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. In this video, we are going to discuss about geometrical isomers, also called cis-trans isomers, in square planar complexes. Cis-trans isomer exhibit only in square planar and octahedral complexes. What is geometrical isomers? In which complex geometrical isomers arises? Geometrical isomerism exists in heteroleptic complexes. The complexes containing different types of ligand. If all the complexes in the compound is same, all the ligands in a complex are same, that is called homoleptic complexes. If all the ligands in a complexes are different, it is called heteroleptic complexes due to different possible three-dimensional spatial arrangement of the ligands around the central metal atom. So, geometrical isomerism arises only from the three-dimensional spatial arrangement of the ligands around the central metal atom. Geometrical isomerism exists in square planar, coordination number 4, not tetrahedral, and coordination number 6, octahedral complexes. Now we are going to see examples of the cis and trans isomer in square planar complex only. In the next video, we will discuss the geometrical isomerism in octahedral complexes. Now we are going to see the examples of geometrical isomerism in square planar complexes. Examples of geometrical isomers in square planar complexes. First, types of complexes taken is central metal ion, M metal ion, A2 and B2 types of ligands, heteroleptic ligand. In this complex, M is central metal ion, A and B are monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand. A and B are monodentate ligands. For an example, take one example of this type of complexes. Central metal ion here taken is platinum. Platinum 4 plus ion. Coordination number equal to 4. The coordination numbers are occupied by A2 NH3 twice and B2 Cl negative ligand twice. A2 B2 type. What is the charge on the complex? Amine is a neutral ligand, charge 0, 2 into 0 equal to 0, 1 chlorine minus 1, 2 chlorine minus 2. When you add all these, you will get 2 plus on the complex. 2 plus on the complex. We have two types of isomerism in this complex. Now I write the IUPAC name. A is first, C is second. Diamine, dichlorido, diamine, dichlorido. Central metal ion, cationic complex, platinum, name as such, oxidation state in Roman numeral. For this structure, now we are going to draw one cis isomer and one trans isomer. First of all, I will tell what is meant by cis isomer and what is meant by trans isomer under geometrical isomerism. Cis isomer, similar ligands are in same side is called cis isomer. Trans isomer, similar ligands are in opposite side is called trans isomer. So for the given complex, we are going to draw square planar two types of cis and trans isomer. Platinum at the center. Simply write the square planar the corners are occupied by 4 ligands A2 and B2. If 2 amine NH3 and NH3 are in similar side, this type of isomer is called cis isomer. 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. It is a 2+ complex. Similar ligands are in same side. Therefore, this complex is called cis isomer. How to write? Trans isomer, central metal platinum 4+ at the center. Square planar complexes. In all the corners, 4 ligands are present. In all the corners of the square planar, 4 the ligands are present. If the 2 amine NH3 are in the opposite side, it is called trans isomer. 2 amine are in the opposite side, it is called trans isomer. Charge on the complex is 2+. So this is, how do you name this compound? Cis diamine dichlorido platinum 4, and the second isomer is named as trans diamine dichlorido platinum 4. Now I take another one type of square planar complexes. The central metal ion is M. What type of ligands are present? A2BC. M is central metal ion. What is ABC here? A, B, C are monodentate ligand. A, B and C are monodentate ligand. So which ligand is similar in this complex? A2 is similar in this complex. A2 is similar ligand. If these 2 similar ligands are in the same side, it is called cis. Opposite side trans. Now I take one example for these complexes. Same platinum NH3 4+, A2 amine NH3 twice, PC 1Cl and 1Br. Amine is a neutral ligand, charge 0, 2 into 0 equal to 0, 1 chlorine 1 minus, 1 bromine 1 minus. Now what is the charge on the complex? 2+. Now I am going to write the IUPAC name of this complex. A is first, B is second, C is third. Order of ligand according to alphabet. Diamine, A first, B second. Bromido, C third. Chlorido, central metal ion. Platinum, oxidation state, Roman numeral 4. Going to draw the cis and trans structure of these two complexes. So from that amine we can distinguish cis and trans. Central metal ion platinum. At the center it is a 4 plus ion. Square planar complexes we are discussing. In each corner the ligands are present in each corner. So these are the 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. If amine are in the same side, we have 2 amine, NH3, nitrogen is the donor atom, 1 Cl and 1 Br are present. Charge on this complex is 2 plus ion. So this isomer is called cis isomer. And what is the name of this complex? After writing the another structure, I will tell how to name it. Platinum at the center. Draw the square planar complexes. Draw the square planar complexes. Draw the square planar complexes. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 ligands are present at the corner. What are that ligand? If the 2 amine are in the opposite side, one NH3 is here, another NH3 is here, this type of isomer is called trans isomer. Charge on this complex is 2 plus ion. Charge on the complex is 2 plus ion. This is your trans isomer because 2 amines are in the opposite side, 2 amines. This compound is named as cis, diamine, bromido, chlorido, platinum 4. And this isomer is named as trans, diamine, bromido, chlorido, platinum 4. Come to another one example of these square planar complexes. The next general example is central metal ion is M using bidentate ligand. X, Y twice, N plus or minus. Here what is XY? XY is a bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand having different donor atom, donor atoms. Bidentate ligand having different donor atom. Acetic acid molecular formula CH3 C double bond O OH. Acetic acid molecular formula CH3 C double bond O OH. This is also called ethanoic acid. If functional group attached carbon atom is alpha carbon. One hydrogen atom of alpha carbon is replaced by one NH2. Another one hydrogen is replaced by one alkyl group R. From alpha carbon, one hydrogen is replaced by one NH2. Another hydrogen is replaced by another R alkyl group. This is the general molecular formula for amino acid. Carbon valency 4. Among the 4 valency, 3 valencies are occupied by one hydrogen, one carboxylic acid functional group and one amino functional group. These are same. There is no change in this. But the 4th valency is occupied by alkyl group. This alkyl group decide the nature of alpha amino acid. If the alkyl group is hydrogen, glycine, methyl alanine and goes on. Now here the R group is replaced by hydrogen, if the R group is replaced by hydrogen, you will get CH2, NH2, C double bond O, OH. This is the first amino acid named as glycine. First amino acid glycine. Now I write this glycine in starting from this NH2. NH2, CH2, C double bond O, OH. Nitrogen has one pair of electron. This is your glycine. Remove one hydrogen as H plus. If H is removed as plus, charge on oxygen is minus. The now bidentate ligand is having different donor atom is NH2, CH2, C double bond O, O minus. Donor atoms are different. Donor atom is nitrogen. Donor atom is oxygen. Therefore, it is indicated by XY in the common formula. Now, I take one example of this compound. Platinum central metal ion. Again, 4 plus bidentate ligand. This is simply denoted as glycinato. Negative ligand. It is a bidentate. Simply it is denoted as cly. Platinum bidentate ligand. One bidentate ligand form 2 bond. 2 bidentate ligand form 4 bonds. But it is 1 minus. 1 glycinato 1 minus, 2 glycinato 2 minus, charge on the complex is 2 plus. Now I write the IUPAC name of this compound. Diclycinato. Diclycinato. Platinum. What is the charge on platinum? 4. Platinum 4. How to draw the structure of cis and trans isomer? As usual, simple structure. Platinum at the center. Square planar complexes. Square planar complexes. 4 corners are occupied by 4 ligand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners are occupied by 4 ligand. And how to write the glycinato structure? We know glycinato is NH2, CH2, C double bond O minus. The donor atoms are nitrogen and oxygen. How I am writing nitrogen and oxygen? Starting with here, NH2, nitrogen donor atom, then CH2, then C double bond O, here one oxygen. Like this, if you write glycinato here, NH2, CH2, C double bond O, O. What is the charge on this complexes? 2 plus. Charge on the complex is 2 plus. So, this is your cis form. Because donor atoms are same and the structure is same, therefore it is called cis isomer. How to draw the trans isomer for the same compound? Platinum at the center. Platinum at the center. Square planar. We have to draw the square planar. And 4 bonds are along with the platinum. 4 bonds with the platinum. Now, how to write glycinato? NH2, CH2, C double bond O, O, glycinato. Another, change the donor atom direction. Oxygen, C double bond O, CH2 and NH2. Second one is trans isomer. Charge on the complex is 2 plus. There is no change, 2 plus. Second one is trans isomer. This is trans isomer. And One more complexes with the general molecular formula in square planar complexes. That is, if all the ligands are different ligand, M square planar, A, B, C and D. We are not going to write cis and trans here, but how many isomers are possible for these square planar complexes? Taking central metal ion platinum, different ligands we have to take, one amine as usual, one chlorido, one bromido, one nitrito, kappa n. 4 plus on platinum, 0, -1, -1, -1, monopositive. For these complexes, we can write 3 isomers by taking one isomer as constant, platinum, platinum, platinum. Square planar complexes, here we have one square, then another square, charge on the complex is plus 1, charge on the complex is plus 1. The bonds are, all the corners are occupied by monodentate ligands. All the corners are occupied by monodentate ligand. By taking or by placing among the 4 ligand, one ligand constant, rotate the other ligand in clockwise direction. Here one NH3, one Br and one NO2. This is constant. Rotate the clockwise direction, ligand NO2, then NH3, then Br here. Again make a rotation, Br, NO2, NH3. So 3 possible geometrical isomers for this complex, but this is not trans and cis isomers. IUPAC name of this compound, amine, bromido, chlorido, nitrito, kappa n, platinum 4 ion, platinum 4 ion. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.